Excuse me, miss, can you help me? Where is this seat?
Welcome, in the back.
Oh, and when can I order a drink?
Please take your seat.
It's my first time flying, so I'm really nervous.
Please take your seat.
I'm new here. Please be nice to me, you know?
Please take your seat or I'm gonna punch you in the face. What?
Bro, I'm saying it's been like 2 weeks, bro. So if she got one eye, I don't care. I'm still trying to smash.
Excuse me.
So set it up when I'm...
I sit there.
Go ahead.
Me?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
And I can stand up?
Yeah, but like I said, bro. I mean, I'm down for honestly whatever, bro. I do.
You can put this down.
Yeah, I still...
Wait, you can
if
put
she
it
got
down.
one arm, I smash, bro. What's up? You know what I'm saying? It's fine.
Maybe you could...
Yo, man, my bad, bro. This girl tweaking, bro. But, yo, back to them drugs. What's good with that, bro?
Hi, I'm Lily. This is my first time on a plane.
You don't have a rosary.
No.
They say your chances of survival are higher if you have a rosary. I'll pray for you. I see.
Excuse me, miss? Can I switch seats?
Please take your seat.
Okay.
I love you so much.
Bro, I just want the drugs, bro. That's all I'm trying to get.
No.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is your pilot, Kyle, speaking. I'd like to welcome you aboard flight number 742 with non-stop service to Houston, Texas. Buon pomeriggio tutti. Questo...
Why is he talking Italian? We're only going to Texas.
We'll be experiencing minor turbulence, but overall...
Bro, just put the money in the bag, bro. I set everything else up for you. All you gotta do is put the money in the bag and take it to my grandma, bro. I told you.
Prepare the cabin for takeoff. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the flight. Pilot out.
The most dangerous time on a plane is 3 minutes after takeoff. And we're about to take off. It's happening! It's happening!
I'm gonna sleep.
Oh, we all fart?
Can you put that down, please?
No. In the case of an emergency...
Okay. Yeah, leave it up. Leave it up. You know what? I'm just gonna... Dude! Control your kid!
Hey, shut up!
Yeah, shut up!
You serious right now?
Show some respect. It's my son.
Oh, I'm disrespectful?
Oh, sorry.
Watch the language and shut your mouth!
Yeah, shut up.
Shut up. Shut. Okay, cool. You know what? Okay, cool. Psst, excuse me, sir. Can you just...
Isn't he so cute? He's only 3 months old and he's so loud.
I don't care about your baby.
Well, don't worry, you'll have your turn to hold him.
No, I don't want to hold your baby.
I think everybody here is really happy to have a beautiful baby like this beside him.
It's fine. You know, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Are you ready to go to the bathroom?
I've never done it in the bathroom.
Come on, it'll be fun. It's a rush.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Come on, follow me.
No. No.
Sweetie, this is first class. I think you have it a little confused.
Oh, no. I just wanted to pee.
No. We don't have peasants here.
Hold on. She can pee.
Yeah, exactly. I want to pee. I just want to pee.
Back there where you belong, though. This is first class, so you better get out of here.
This has nothing to do with money.
My father paid a lot of money for me to sit in this seat, and I'm not going to share my bathroom with you, okay?
I don't really want to breathe like the same air as you right now.
Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna pee over there. Don't worry. You won't see me again.
Good.
It's not like I want to see you again. I'm not gonna see you again.
Not like I want to see you again. Not so fast. Get back there.
You're in trouble. I know. I still need to pee though.
That was quick, babe.
Not quick enough!
She's just jealous.
Worst year of my life. Anything else?
Howdy. Your captain, Kyle. Yeah.
Yeah, I just, came out here because my co-pilot, he went to the bathroom. He got lonely. You know how that goes. Ooh, it's a little turbulent.
We're experiencing some unexpected turbulence. Please take your seat.